Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are showcasing a motorhome from a brand that needs no introduction. This is the 2017 Tiffin Allegro Open Road 32 SA. For many RVers, Tiffin is the ultimate goal because of their family-owned legacy and incredible attention to detail. This particular unit has only 41,000 miles on it and comes in at a very manageable 34 feet. If you want the luxury of a large Class A without the stress of driving a 40-foot bus, the 32 SA is widely considered the perfect floor plan. Take a look at this exterior. We are looking at Tiffin's Sunlit Sand graphics package. This is a premium, full-body paint job. Unlike many gas coaches that use vinyl decals that peel and fade over time, Tiffin uses a multi-stage automotive paint process. You can see the depth in the beige, gold, and black tones. It looks as sharp today as it did on day one. As we walk along the passenger side, notice the two enormous slide-outs that expand the interior living space. For outdoor enjoyment, you've got a large power patio awning that creates a huge shaded area for your campsite, plus protective slide toppers over both slides to keep your mechanical seals in top shape. One huge highlight for the next owner, this coach sits on updated 2023 Michelin tires all the way around. You are riding on the highest quality rubber in the industry, and they have plenty of life left in them for your upcoming adventures. Throughout this walk-around, you'll see the exterior entertainment center right here with a 32-inch TV, making it the perfect spot for game day. You've also got the rear view and side view camera system integrated into the mirrors to eliminate blind spots while you're on the highway. Between the polished wheels and the overall condition of the fiberglass, it's clear this coach was a pride of ownership for the previous owner. We are going to finish up the exterior tour and then dive into the mechanical systems that make this open road such a reliable performer. Talk about the foundation of this Tiffin. It sits on the heavy-duty Ford F53 chassis, powered by the proven 6.8-liter V10 gas engine. This engine produces 320 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the TorqShift 6-speed automatic transmission. It's a powertrain that is widely respected for its durability and ease of service across the country. When we open up the storage bays, you'll see that Tiffin doesn't skimp on storage. We have full pass-through basement compartments, giving you plenty of room for your chairs, grills, and long-term gear. For your electrical needs, we have a significant upgrade, the Onan 7.0 kilowatt quiet gas generator. With only 520 hours of use, it is barely broken in and provides more than enough power to run your dual-roof ACs and all your appliances while you're dry camping. This coach is also equipped with a 50-amp service, a Magnum inverter charger, and even heated holding tanks, which is a fantastic feature for those of you who like to extend your camping season into the cooler months. Setup at the campsite is a breeze, thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. Just hit the touchpad and the coach levels itself perfectly. You've also got a 5,000-pound trailer hitch if you want to bring a vehicle or a boat along. Every system on this Tiffin, from the dual ACs with heat pumps to the central vacuum system, is designed to provide a residential experience no matter where the road takes you. Let's head inside and see that legendary Tiffin craftsmanship in the cabin. Stepping into the Allegro Open Road, the quality is immediately apparent. The 32 SA floor plan is all about maximizing space and luxury. You'll notice the high-end cabinetry and the wide-open layout created by those two massive slide-outs. Tiffin is known for their solid wood construction and fit and finish, and this unit is a prime example. The entrance is welcoming and sets the stage for a coach that truly feels like a custom home. The kitchen is a standout feature for the traveling chef. You have a large gas and electric refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, and a microwave convection oven for added flexibility. The stainless steel residential sink and faucet make cleanup easy, and the solid surface countertops provide plenty of prep space. You've also got a great amount of cabinetry both above and below to keep all your pantry items organized. It's a very clean, bright galley that makes preparing meals on the road a pleasure. The front living room is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. You have a huge pull-out sleeper sofa on one side and a convertible booth dinette on the other. Between these and the rear bed, you can comfortably sleep up to 6 people. For entertainment, this coach is loaded. You have a massive 50-inch TV and an electric fireplace that adds a cozy ambiance and extra heat. There is even an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the front seats, so no one misses the action. It is a fantastic social space that truly feels like a high-end lounge. Moving toward the rear, we find a very well-appointed split bathroom layout. On one side, you have a large shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds a lot of height and natural light. Across the hall is your private water closet, which features its own toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan. Having the separate toilet room is a huge benefit for families, allowing multiple people to get ready at the same time without feeling cramped. It's a clean, functional space with Tiffin's signature wood cabinetry. Welcome to the Master Retreat. What makes the 32SA so special is that even at 34 feet, you get a massive king-sized bed. Having a king bed on the road is the ultimate luxury for a great night's sleep. One detail I love back here is the ceiling fan, which keeps the air moving and the room comfortable on those warm nights. You've also got a dedicated 32-inch TV, a large wardrobe closet, and plenty of drawer storage for all your travel attire. The bedroom feels very private and quiet, separated perfectly from the main living area. With windows on both sides, you get excellent cross-ventilation, and the overall fit and finish back here makes it feel like a high-end hotel suite. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning on extended travel, this master bedroom provides every comfort you could ask for. As we finish up our tour, it's easy to see why the Tiffin Allegro Open Road 32SA is such a sought-after model. To recap, you are looking at a 34-foot coach with only 41,000 miles. You're getting the reliability of the Ford V10, an Onan 7-kilowatt generator, and updated 2023 Michelin tires. With a king bed, an electric fireplace, 2 TVs in the living area, and that stunning Sunlit Sand full body paint, this coach is ready for its next owner. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon, and as always, happy camping!